Hunan province is shortly called Xiang in Mandarin and famous for its plenty spicy cuisine. One of the most representative Chinese cuisine, fish head with pickled pepper, is born in this land. Pickled pepper is the soul of the Xiang cuisine. It's pickled by organic red chili pepper, ginger, garlic, and salt. Not only can it help to distill the flavor, but also can make the food quite appetizing. It almost goes well with any food material, a cooking necessity in each Hunan family. The fish heads are from the silver carp's farm raised in natural lakes. We only select the intact and vital fish with fish head over 1.1 pounds for processing. It's healthy, with low calories and high protein. The processing of the fish head is professional and efficient. The freshly caught silver carp will be immediately sent to the factory for the fish head trimming and cleaning, then packing with pickled pepper and seasoning sauce bags. They will be quick frozen to keep the freshness. From catching to packing is less than 24 hours. The complicated pre-cooking process is dealt with in the most authentic way, makes the final cooking and tasting easy and convenient. Unpack the fish head, thaw at room temperature and wash it clean. Drain the water and plate it. Drizzle the sauce and spread the pickled pepper evenly on the fish head. Put it in the steamer after the water is boiled, steam it for 10 minutes to serve. Whether in a restaurant or a family get-together, such an authentic and healthy fish head with pickled pepper with fresh spicy taste goes perfectly with rice and noodles. Or enjoy it with beer. Trust me, no one would turn down this unique taste of China. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.